Actually, I think we'll do that. Actually, hi, welcome. If you can hear me, which I don't think you can, welcome. We're gonna be playing Call of Duty Mobile on my phone. Yeah. There's more to this than just playing Call of Duty Mobile. So, yeah, let's get into it. I'm just gonna make my sniper class, you know. Everybody loves the sniper class. It's juicy. That sounded a little weird, but I mean. Yep. You see that? You like that barrel? Yes. Obviously, this is gonna be my sniper class. I have multiple of them. We shall be playing multiplayer because multiplayer is the best one that you can be able to use. Let's make sure that this is on. Can you guys hear me? If you can't, though, I'm just talking to myself. Let's get into it, though. So, I'm gonna probably go a little quiet, you know. This is Call of Duty. I don't want to become a total big buffoon about this. We're in a pre-match. Ooh, I totally forgot about this. Today I burnt my thumb, and yesterday I cut it with a can on accident. Whew, please say I can mop the floor. Okay, no, I'm not gonna mop the floor. But I'm somewhat good. Just hold on. Woohoo! Yeah, never mind, I'm somewhat not good with that gun. We're just gonna switch over to this. Looks like a decent gun, I can't lie. I just got it from the, day rewards. It gives you, rewards every day you join. Sounds cool, huh? Sorry I'm not shooting anybody, but yeah, I seem like a total dimwit. Let me get my game on. I haven't played this in some time, so this is also my first time actually recording, so not gonna be awesome at this. I'm kind of in the most uncomfortable stance ever. Come on, man. I was trying to get into a better stance and you just pop up? Are you serious? That's kind of rude. I'm mopping the floor with him real quick. Sorry. I'm gonna mop the floor with him. He's coming this way. Alright, those are two of them getting mopped on the floor. GG's, though, if they do win. It's all fun and games here. We're not trying to be mean. If I lose, we lose. Everything's fun and games here. We're not trying to start up ruckus and fights with people. Yeah, but pretty much this is gonna be my gaming channel. I guess I decided to do it because I like gaming. I'm actually trying to get my PlayStation fixed, so right now I'm playing on a PlayStation controller hooked up to the phone. So you see, that's why I'm kind of not as wacky as you might think. See if that got him. Alright. Oh, I think I failed society. Alright, they're over here on this side, huh? That is some booty hole competition. Holy shoot! If I bodied him by jumping out the sky, that would have been awesome. I've also thought of making a shotgun class. Man, I can't wait until I get enough subscribers to go live streaming. That would be epic. But yeah, I do play on PlayStation, and my uncle said once he gets that Xbox Series X that he would give me his Xbox One X, so I might also be doing a little gaming on there. My YouTube channel is That Red Panda. On PlayStation, my gaming tag is That Red Panda 02. I really feel like I'm talking to myself, but if I am, just let me know. Okay, that was one match. So, I just wanted to get this across. This is just going to be one match that I'm going to be doing because I don't want to do a lot today. Actually, you know, I do got online school tomorrow, but it's like 11 to 7. I can still go. Let's do like 3 more matches. Oh, alright. I'm really getting mad. When I see that, I want to mop the floor with everybody. So, yeah. It really does hurt. It does not feel very nice. My thumb is just hurting a lot. I burnt it. I guess it's because I'm dumb. I decided, let me put 2 Oreos in a pan and see what it would do. Did that, put it in the oven, and I'm an idiot. I swear. It burnt. Now the house kind of smells weird. Yep, great job, Maurice. You're a total dimwit. Yeah, what's a hot topic today? And guess what music they were playing? Rock music. I know, right? Like, why? Out of all the music you could have played, you put rock music on? Why? Is that like the typical white guy stuff right now? I like you, and I think of your boyfriend. Come on, let's link and do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. I treat you like a monarchy. We slide. My voice probably sounds super cracky. I should probably stop getting so confident in singing. I don't know why, but if you ever sing and then you put it on camera, it don't sound like it's supposed to. People are saying there's actually a way that you can actually hear what other people hear about you. So, like, how you actually sound. Because to yourself, you sound what you want to think you sound like, but you don't to other people. And a lot of people say I sound white, so I'm not actually. I'm African American. Huh. There's a lot of racist people sometimes. Because they assume how my voice sounds like, so if I was on PlayStation, they would start saying some stuff. Not nice to be bullying people. There's a lot of nice YouTubers out there that, are you kidding me? But there's a lot of nice YouTubers out there that, stop bullying and stuff like that. It is really not okay for you to bully anybody, depending on their looks or what they sound like or what they do. That's just them. Let them have their business and you mind your own business. I mean, it's not like they're hurting you. Because if they are, then, you're gonna have to tell somebody about that. I don't know what to say. Mopping the floor with these guys. I haven't used any of my score streaks. That's gonna be fun. Woohoo! I'm not shooting anything, am I? That was nice. Extra nice. with some rights. Yeah, got the final kill cam. That was epic. Please say I'm MVP. Please say I'm MVP. Please say I'm MVP. I want to be MVP. It's probably not gonna say I'm MVP. Please say I'm MVP. Yes, I'm number 1. I'm MVP. Let's go. Yeah, but I guess I can give my ooh. I guess I can also give you guys my Xbox username. It's different from that Red Panda, which is my YouTube channel, and my PS4. I kind of had issues with that because I made an account that already said that Red Panda, and then I could log back into it on Xbox. And right now I have an Xbox 360. When my uncle does give me that Xbox One X, it's gonna probably be some better graphics. I still agree with that Xbox 360. Xbox really can step up their game sometimes. You just gotta love Microsoft sometimes, man. I mean, PS4 is always gonna be better. That's my opinion. You know what? They're both the same. They're both equal, but if it's my opinion, it's my opinion. I'm sorry if I hurt any of you or if you're offended. Yeah. Sometimes a lot of toxic people are on Xbox. I don't know why. Have y'all ever heard of Luna? Yeah, he has like some great story times that he tells about his life. You really should go look at his channel. It's pretty cool. I listened to him, and one of his stories was about how he was playing Xbox with his friend, and the people at his school kind of jumped him over an Xbox game. And so, you know, Xbox players are pretty salty, huh? Holy shoot, there's a century! It's the... Ooh, that's the most stupidest thing ever. How can I not mop the floor with you? Come here, thank you. Obviously, as you can see, sometimes people don't do too good. My finger kind of is burnt, so it hurts so much when I press down to run. Michelle. That's another one. God, Lee, I'm gonna need some bullets. Woo! You got yourself in that position. That's kind of not a good position to be in. I cannot lie. Woo, guys, I saved you. Again. Oh, shoot through the wall. I love that. You can also shoot through the boards in the regular Call of Duty on PlayStation. Whoa! Is that player? People that actually press the screen kind of don't have that big of an advantage. Because I'm playing with a PlayStation controller, so I could easily mop some kids. And I mean, there's probably lots of kids and older adults that play this because they can't afford a PlayStation or an Xbox. So yeah. It's also a good game, but I mean, it's not like you're gonna have very talented players here. You're pressing on the screen, and the screens kind of aren't that easy. I mean, the buttons are separated so far, and then you gotta jump and everything. But I mean, there's some of those mobile players that play on there that know what to do, and like, I don't know, so hard to know. Oh, holy shoot! Wait, I gotta see that. How did they kill me? Wait, what? He shot me through the car and then through the shield. My question is, yeah, you could have shot me through one object, bullets travel through stuff, but how'd you shoot me through a shield? It's supposed to protect from bullets. Some things in this game don't make sense. Ooh, that is nice, actually. That gun is pretty nice. What is it? M16? Alright, bet. I'm gonna actually go look at that. Why wasn't I up there? Alright, well, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna do one more match, and that's gonna be it. It is awesome how many people on this game still play it. Ooh. You wouldn't think many people play this because it's on mobile and it's not what you'd think. Let's see, do I have an M16? Please say M... No, I don't have an M16. It's all the way at the end. I do have an M4. And I did customize this one a lot because the game made me. Yeah. The game made me. It said customize this one gun. We don't care. You're not customizing any other gun except for this one. It really done did that to me. But I like it. I really do. I can't lie. The dragon prints on here are nice, actually, though. I'm gonna put the blue one on. That's the best one I've seen yet. Melling Masher, long shot. Yeah, that range increase. The F and J doesn't do nothing for some reason, so I'm gonna go for the range. The range is probably the best thing here. Ooh. Got a rear grip. I definitely need more of that. I'm not just putting random stuff on here. Promise. Why would I need 2 grips? That's why. I'm really kind of confused now. Whoa, that is a big barrel. No, I already got a good stock. I don't need another one. So this is gonna be the M4 class. It's pretty nice, huh? Oh, shoot. Alright, well, I guess that's it. I'm just gonna use 2 of those. The man at the start made me use like 3. Is there like a way I can leave this? Yes, please. Those guys were not supposed to be in there. Okay. Also, you can connect from your Google accounts on this, and you can also connect. God, my finger hurts. But yeah, this is my first ever gaming video, so I might not be posting a lot of content on the daily. How come I didn't shoot him through that bush? Alright, I might actually be doing this with a sniper this time. That's one. I'm pretty good with a sniper, can't lie. Whoa! Get mopped. Oh, I couldn't get him. GG's though. Actually, also, tomorrow we might be playing Among Us, probably. Oh, I knew it. Alright, let's switch over to our M4 class. No, I do not want that iron sight, but I mean, that's the best I could get right now, huh? Why did I pull that out? Why would I reload at that time? Why did I reload now? I'm not shooting for random reasons, don't worry. You can shoot through walls in this game, so that's what I'm doing. That's why I might be shooting at a wall. It might not be hitting, because they have to be in a certain spot on the other side of it. See? See, I shot him through a wall. Did you see that? Alright, well that's gonna be it for today on my first ever gaming video. I don't really know what to title this. This is my first ever gaming video. So yeah. I can't actually wait to hook this up to my PlayStation and stuff, which is probably gonna take some time. Because I already have another account on there, so... Ooh, MVP. But, yeah. You know what? Just because this is the end of the video, I'm gonna take me a screenshot. Yeah. Yeah. I'm finna successfully save that. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for today. Yeah. Alright then. I'm gonna actually have to get an outro and an intro. And probably when I do, I can also hire some editors, you know? Wish I could do that if I had enough subscribers and stuff. But I have jack. I have like 0. Yeah. Gonna be some issues, so yeah. Bye.